Ever wondered why some people voluntarily choose not to eat for a while? It's called fasting. You see, our bodies are like cars and food is the fuel. But here's the twist: sometimes our bodies need a little pit stop, a break from all the refueling. That's fasting. Picture this. You tell your friend you're fasting and they panic, thinking you're planning to starve yourself. No, no, no. So, fasting isn't about starving yourself, but rather a deliberate and controlled abstinence from food. Now, imagine Jane, a health enthusiast who decided to try fasting for the first time. Jane was like many of us, fond of her early morning coffee and late-night snacks, but she was up for the challenge. Day 1, she decided to try intermittent fasting, where she would only eat within a specific 8-hour window. At first, Jane felt like a clock watcher, counting the minutes until her next meal. But soon, she found a rhythm and even enjoyed the extra energy she felt. Next, she ventured into water fasting, consuming only water for a whole day. Picture Jane staring down a water bottle like it's her last hope on a deserted island. It was tough, but she persevered. And guess what? She woke up the next day feeling light and rejuvenated. Throughout the process, Jane realized that fasting wasn't a monster under the bed or some ancient ritual. It was a tool for better health. So, Jane discovered that fasting was more than just skipping meals. It was a pathway to better health. Now that we've journeyed with Jane, what's the takeaway here? As we've seen, Jane discovered many benefits of fasting, including increased energy, improved cognitive function, and even weight loss. But let's remember, it's not about depriving ourselves of food, it's about giving our bodies a break to rejuvenate and heal. It's a way of life, not a fad diet. Fasting, as Jane learned, is less about not eating and more about eating right. So are you considering giving it a try?